Welcome back to Wheelcraft Reviews, your trusted hub for exploring the finest automobiles on the market. Today, we dive into the highly anticipated 2025 Infiniti Q50 Hybrid. Designed for those who crave a blend of luxury, performance, and efficiency, this hybrid sedan is Infiniti's bold step into a greener yet exhilarating future. The 2025 Infiniti Q50 Hybrid showcases a perfect harmony between sophistication and innovation. Its sleek, aerodynamic design captivates the eye, while the intricate grille and sharp LED headlights exude a sense of modern elegance. The smooth contours of the body not only enhance the car's aesthetics but also improve its aerodynamic efficiency, ensuring a quiet and composed ride. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of comfort and style, adorned with premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship. From plush leather seating to intuitive controls, every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience. Under the hood, the Q50 Hybrid packs a potent powertrain combining a responsive gasoline engine with a powerful electric motor. Together, they deliver an impressive performance, offering a seamless blend of power and fuel efficiency. The transition between the two power sources is nearly imperceptible, providing a smooth and dynamic driving experience. The advanced battery system ensures extended electric-only driving, making it a perfect choice for both city commutes and long-distance travel. The Q50 Hybrid also excels in terms of technology and safety. Equipped with Infiniti's latest infotainment system, it features a high-resolution touchscreen, smartphone integration, and an array of connectivity options to keep you entertained and informed on the go. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera provide an added layer of safety, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. On the road, the 2025 Infiniti Q50 Hybrid offers a spirited yet refined performance. The steering is precise, and the suspension is perfectly tuned to handle sharp turns while maintaining a comfortable ride. The regenerative braking system not only enhances efficiency but also adds to the car's responsive handling. Thank you for tuning into Wheelcraft Reviews, where we bring you in-depth insights into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community for more exciting reviews, specs, and feature breakdowns. See you in the next video.